Hey everyone, Brandon here, Florida Outdoors. Want to show you this brand new 2017. It's a fifth wheel Sierra, Forest River Sierra. It's a rear bedroom model, so you got those nice high ceilings. Nice big back bedroom here. Moving back here, it is got two doors, so you got one convenient to the master bedroom, but then we have a nice big bathroom area here. Really high ceiling, a lot of natural light. Really great. Really nice kitchen area here. It's a solid surface countertop, LG residential fridge, lots of storage. This is a front living model, so really great for entertaining. More sleeping space up here as well. Huge TV by Hisense. So overall, a really great living RV, especially if you're full-time living. Alright, stepping outside here. This is the 379 model. Two entrances. We've got outside kitchen area. Auto leveling system. Comes for a total of 6 slide outs, so really nice, really big. If you have any questions about this RV, give us a call at the number above. We'd be really glad to help you out. Thanks so much and have a great day.